Time check, it's already June 7, and ayan, nagpe-prepare na kami for our flight. At Boracay, we're waiting for the hop-on, hop-off bus para papunta dun sa hotel po namin. So, malaking save na yon na hindi kami nag-trek. We're here at hop-on, hop-off. Yeah. Very accommodating and malamig. Kami lang yung tao. Dito doon daw. We'll stay here at Boracay Holiday Resort. Meron silang pa welcome drink. So this is cucumber juice. Na ano lang siya, nagtubig lang siya dahil sa yelo. So we are waiting for our room to be ready. Nakiusap kami na mag-early check-in dahil maaga naman yung check-out namin on our last day. So yun, na ngayon hinihintay namin si ate na tawagan kami para pumasok na sa room. Ang room namin ay nasa 3rd floor. So we are waiting here. Medyo nahilo kami sa biyahe dahil airplane tapos jettyport tapos yung bus. Ngayon lang kami nakaupo ng maayos at saka nakapag-rest. Hello guys, we will go to the mall para sa Andox lunch namin. And after that, we will travel to Puka Beach para sa mga pasalubongs and crystal kayak. That is our first water activities for today. Bye bye. Thank you. We're here at Andox. We try the Andox Boracay. Yan, masarap naman siya. So, yun. Balitaan ko kayo for our next segment. Bye! We will go to Puka Beach for the souvenirs and crystal kayak. We bought some pasalubongs here in Puka Beach kasi sabi nila mas mura dito. So, hopefully wala kaming makalimutan sa mga nibigyan naming mga pasalubong ay kahit konti lang or kahit paano yung mabigyan namin silang lahat. Bye-bye. We're here at our hotel. So, magbababa lang kami ng gamit tapos maliligo kami sa dagat. Sayang naman kasi yung outfit ko nabasa na. Punta na po kami ng beach. Swimming. Be right back. Bye. guys. Tapos namin nag-dinner, kakagising lang namin kaninang 7:30. So ngayon, we're resting ourselves. And maligo lang yan kami. Tapos later, pupunta kami ng New Coast or Keyhole. Tapos Bulabog Beach, baka magparasailing. And then after that, baka mag-dinner. Bye-bye.
Pwede.
Ito.
Hotel.
Pag marami pag nabili, may free po isa.
So we are here at Bulabog Beach. We will try the sea urchins. Kung masarap talaga. Be right back. Hello guys, we are done on our parasailing activity. So ngayon, pupunta po kami ng Keyhole. Yan, magpipicture lang and then alis na. And after that, baka mag-lunch or mag-Lagabog Beach na kami. Bye bye! Here at our room o hotel. Pupunta po kami ng room. Ibababa lang yung ibang gamit, tapos titignan kung malinis yung room makeup namin. So after this, kakain kami sa Station 3. Ayan, malinis naman guys. Malinis ulit. Be right back. Bye. We're here at Jollibee Boracay. We will try if same lang. We are done on our dinner. Medyo konting dinner lang kami kasi medyo busog pa kami dun sa only rice na kinain namin kanina. So ngayon lalakad kami ulit. Hi, we're here at Halo Mango, so we will try the couple ice if it is worth it. Hello guys. So we are here at our room. In our room. So we will drink some alcohol, then for para makaslip. No, ang dami mo pang inisip. So tapos na kami naligo. At naglakad. So bukas will be our last night here in Boracay. So hopefully we will able to go back here next time. Yung marami ng pera. Charis! Bye! Good morning. So, kakagising lang namin. Pupunta kami ng restaurant para kumain sa baba. Ayaw kumain sa Bogo. We're back. Pupunta kami ng Puka Beach para sa mga pasalubong ulit, sa mga nakalimutan naming bilhan. So, after that, bulabog muna tayo, Puka. Sabi mo, bulabog. Bulabog. Tapos Puka. Hindi, magpuka na, tapos pabalik na lang bulabog. Okay, bye-bye. This is the transportation that we had here in Boracay. So we have hop on up hop. So meron silang mga specific loading and unloading areas. Good afternoon. Thank you. So pinababa kami dito sa may entrance ng New Coast kasi iikot pa siya ng keyhole. Medyo malayo kasi yon. So ngayon naghihintay kami ng hop on hop off bus na palabas na ng keyhole. Bye. We are done on buying some souvenirs. So pabalik na po kami ng Bulabog para dun sa punong nakahiga. Magpipicture lang, then balik na kami ng Station 1, I think. Station 3 para dun sa palengke. Bye bye. Hello guys, inayos na namin yung mga gamit namin para ready na kami umuwi bukas. So, nagpapahinga lang ako. Then, mag-start na din ayos. Bye! You can seduce the judges with their passionate mysteries. This is love at first bite. Wednesdays on TLC. Single life return. I still want a husband. I want to settle down forever and ever with someone. I'm hot, I'm sexy, I'm young, I'm in my prime. Dream on the men. This would be my moment. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna make it. This would technically be my first date ever. No, this is happening to me again. 90 Day, The Single Life. Fridays on TLC. Happy anniversary! What's up? Happy anniversary! Salamat! Happy anniversary din. Sobrang busog ko na. Ngayon, nakahanap kami ng Sanjay na malapit sa Timol. At eto. Sobrang gutom ko na, I mean. Sorry, kaya nakakalimutan ko yung mga words. Bye-bye. Hello guys. So for today, this is our last night here at our hotel. So this is our last drink. Yan, 7% alcohol. So good luck. Sana yung maka-slip kami agad. Hi ka naman sa vlog. Lamig-lamig eh.
These things that happen are all really true. When magic is my love for you. It's magic. It's magic.
Oh. Happy anniversary. Thank you, Boracay. Yes. Pauwi na kami. Ngayon mag-hop on hop off muna kami papunta sa Jettyport. Tapos sasakay ng trike papunta sa airport. We're here at the port. So ngayon magbabayad muna kami para sa boat namin. Nagbabayad na siya ng terminal fee, then after that bibili ng boat ticket, then sasakay na kami. Ayun, bumibili na siya ng boat ticket, then papasok na kami sa boarding gate. Apo, thank you. Sumakay kami ng trike papuntang Caticlan Airport. Dito, pag-uwi, binabayad na ng sabay yung boat at saka yung tricycle. So, naiwan kami ng aeroplano. Na-late kami sa boarding time namin. Kaya, eto, hindi pa kami umalis. Supposedly, ang flight namin is 10 a.m. Time check, it's already 11:52 a.m. Ayun, na-delay kami. Hindi na tinanggap yung ano namin, yung boarding time namin na nire-request namin. Kaya yan, ikukwento ko na lang mamaya yung nangyari sa flight namin. Bye-bye. Halo-halo, papalamig ng init ng ulo. So, papunta na kami ng gate 4 para hindi na kami mali. We are here at Caticlan Airport. We are waiting for our flight. Tatawagan na kami, lilipat na kami dun sa bus. Doon kami maghihintay para sumakay na aircraft. Ito na po yung bus. Sasakay na po kami ng bus. So yung mga gamit namin, chinek-in na namin. That is free. Para hindi na crowded sa loob ng aircraft. Then, ayan. Ang bus daw namin, that is bus number 23. Groupie na. So we're here. We're just landed here at Clark International Airport. So now we will proceed to the bag claim area. Diba? Mas ang ganda sa pinuntahan namin, ang pangit ng airport. Parang may nasabing ano lang, airport lang. Andun na yung luggage namin, umiikot na siya. Wala pang nagka-claim. Ayan, so ang ganda, sobrang ganda.
Clark, ano na?
Baka naman Clark.
Kahit may isa.